Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect MongoDB Compass to Cloud MongoDB Atlas. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, first of all, I have started MongoDB Compass in my PC. If you have not installed MongoDB Compass, you can just see the description box. I have given link. Otherwise, you can install after setting up Cloud also. So guys, first of all, you can open any of your browser and search for MongoDB Atlas, and here you can see the official website. Just click on this link guys, and it will redirect you to this page. Here you need to simply click on start free button, and guys, now here it is asking me for sign up, or we can sign up with Google. So I'm just taking sign in with Google. Okay, just click on this link, and after this you need to select your account, Google account. So here I'm selecting my Google account, and also I'm entering my password of my connected Google account. Okay, so guys, after entering your correct details, you will be getting this page, accept privacy policy and term services. So I'm just selecting this checkbox and I'm clicking on this submit button. Redirected me to this welcome page, and here it is showing me use your account to deploy your cloud database with MongoDB Atlas. So now here it is showing me some of the questions. So welcome to Atlas. So it is asking me a reason for selecting this Atlas. So I have just taken the second option, that is learning MongoDB, and then here you have to select the type of application you are building. So you can select as per your choice, and then below you select your preferred language and just click on this finish button guys. Now it is going to redirect me to this page, deploy your database. Guys, here we are having various options such as serverless, dedicated and shared. So shared is free one, so I'm going to select the free one. Guys, just select this shared and click on this create button. So it is provisioning you clustered, shared cluster. So guys, here in MongoDB Atlas we don't have any by default user have created. So we have to create user, and remember this user ID and password because it is required wherever and whenever you want to log in. So I'm just giving username as, I'm just providing some password over here, and I'm just clicking on this create user button. Okay, so now after this guys, here we need to add entries to your IP access list. So here what you need to do, just click on this add my current IP address. So it will show the current IP address, and just you need to click on finish and close button. So guys, so as soon as you click on finish and close button, it is going to show this message, that is congratulations. Just click on go to the databases. So now guys, here you can see it's showing me overview, and here we have option connect. Okay, so free, I have selected free one, so I'm just clicking on this connect button. And now guys, here under shared option it is showing me details of my cluster. So these are the details of your cluster. So we are not changing anything, just I'm going to click on back button. So this is just your cluster detail, and now we will be connecting. So for connecting you have to just click on this connect button, and if you click on this connect button guys, it will show you various options, like whether you want to connect to MongoDB Compass, whether you want to connect to shell, whether you want to connect to VS Code. All this option will be shown over here. So I'm going to select, like I want to connect to MongoDB Compass. So just select this option, and then on the next page it will show you, like if you don't have MongoDB Compass, you can download that. That's why I said at the beginning that if you don't have MongoDB Compass, no problem, we can download later on also. So the important point over here is connection string. So you need to copy this connection string, and this connection string we will be using in MongoDB Compass. So guys, quickly copy this connection string and now go to your MongoDB Compass. So here I'm just starting my MongoDB Compass. So guys, my MongoDB Compass has been started, and here guys, in connection string I have to paste the connection string which I have copied from Atlas. So here I am just pasting my connection string, and then guys here you need to change the password which you provided. So in connection string it does not show the password, so I need to replace this less than password greater than with my actual password which I provided, okay, for that particular user. So here I'm just providing my password, and guys just click on this connect button, and boom guys, you can see now here it is showing me what my cluster name connected to my cluster. Okay guys, so done. Now we will be creating a databases inside this. So just click on this create database. So guys, whatever you are doing in MongoDB Compass, the same will be reflected to MongoDB Atlas, because it is using the connection string which is connected to your MongoDB Atlas. Here I'm going to create a database, so I'm just clicking on this database, create database option, and I'm providing my database name as CS Corner. And guys, you know, in MongoDB, until you create one collection, database is not created. So I'm creating on this create button. Okay, so database is created. Now also collection is created. Now let's create document. So here just click on create document button and provide the details whatever you want. Here I am providing some details, employee ID and employee name. So employee ID 1 and employee name Sunita. So done guys. So guys, I've just created this document. Now guys, I will take you to my MongoDB Atlas, and let's see in my databases, in my collection, whether it has been reflected or not. So guys, here I'm going to simply click on browse collection, or you can simply click on this cluster name, and but guys, you can see it's showing your database name, the collection it is showing. Here also you can insert the data, and this will be reflected to your MongoDB Compass if you are using the same connection string over there. So that's all guys. So by this way you can connect your MongoDB Compass to your MongoDB Atlas. The benefit of using MongoDB Atlas is what you can access it anywhere. Okay, so I hope guys by following my video you are able to successfully connect your Compass and Atlas. So guys, if really my video has helped you, do hit on like button, and if you have any kind of query, do put in comment box. I will surely reply to your queries guys. And guys, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to receive updates of my channel. And guys, I am giving my social media handler in my description box. You can follow me there. Also you can join my Telegram channel for receiving free PDF, notes, books, everything. So join my Telegram channel. So once again, thank you guys for watching my video till end. I'll see you in my next video guys. Till that, bye bye, take care and keep learning guys.